You know what? Most times I like entertaining my students by changing my costume and putting on something that will make them laugh. You know why? It's good most times to get their attention by doing what they like. In so doing, you get their attention, you get their interest, you make them become close to you, become used to your teaching, and then learn from you. Come on. Do that for your student as well, so that they become free and then learn with ease, not with strictness. We don't do that. Come on, let's go. So solution here is very simple. Just look at this. Look at this. Estimate the RMX. What does it mean? Root mean square value of an alternating current whose peak value is 7 amps. So let's go again. I like drawing this diagram because it helps me to understand, to have a clear picture of what I am doing in the first place, and makes it clear for me to understand what I should do and how I should do it. Okay? So if we have here our simple ST circuit symbol or source, we are talking about root mean. Root mean square value of an alternating current. Okay? So we state again V is equal to V naught, alright, sine omega t to stop at, and then we have I is equal to I naught sine omega t once again. Okay? So with this, we can do something here. But the question is very simple. Very simple. If we have been given the peak value currents, we are not making use of this. Okay? We are not going to make use of this because this has to do with current. This has to do with current. So what do? It's very simple. What we need to do is to state out. We put down the currents, the root mean current relation, right? Which is I naught sine omega t. Good. That's what it means. We don't need to work ourselves out on this. No. So the peak current given is I naught is equal to 7 amps. 7 amps. Okay? So we are asked to find the root mean current IRMX is unknown. Completely unknown. I don't know. So it's completely unknown. So that's what it means. We need to find this. And why should we find this in the first place? Because that is what we are asked to estimate. So if we do that, root mean RMX is given as I naught all over root 2. All over root 2. Very simple. Taking care of this relation, we take care of this and we find the value. The value we are going to find is something we know how to do. So if we have gotten to that point, RMS is equal to I naught all over root 2, okay? It means we should substitute. We can substitute, or we can still put it this way. RMS is equal to 0.7011, then that should be I naught. Okay? So if we do this, we then have RMS is equal to 0.701 times the peak value of the current is 7. So we multiply by 7. And what happens? What happens? I will leave the rest for you to solve. You have watched up to this moment. I repeat, if you have watched up to this moment and you have seen the steps outlined leading to this answer, I want you to do me a favor. Just point your calculator 0.701 times 7. Whatever it gives you, put it here. We are going to put your own. I'm going to solve my own and put it somewhere here. You solve your own, put it in the comment section. Let's check. Let's compare. Alright? But it's very simple, you should know the answer, of course. Now we have done this. Convince yourself you have understood this. And then put your concern or whatever question you have in the comment section. I want to sign out now. I want to sign out now. But I don't want to leave you without giving you some sign. Come on, subscribe. Okay? Right? Share with your friends, with your networks and students. I am out.